again. Today we're going to be talking about making 10 to add. First of all, I have an addition problem here that we're going to try to figure out. It's 8 plus 7 equals. So I'm actually going to use my fingers for this one. So I'm going to put 8 in my head and I'm going to count on 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer would then be 15 here. What about if I do, let's do one more, 8 plus 9 equals, 8 plus 9 equals, let's see with our fingers again. So we're going to go 8 in my head, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer to this problem would be 17. Okay, let's try a couple different ones. This time we're going to do 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. So if I do 10 in my head and I add 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 15 as well. Okay, what about if I do 10 plus 7? Using my fingers, I put the 10 in my head and I count on with 7 more fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, and this answer is 17 as well. So, let's say we start with 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Do you see how it's a 1 and a 1? That makes 11. Now, what about if we do 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 is 12. A 1 and a 2. It's like the 1 from the 10 and the 2 there. 10 plus 3 is 13. 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 plus 8 is 18. And 10 plus 9 is 19. Do you notice how all the answers have the 1 in the front, and whatever number was added on is the number that comes at the end of the number, at the teen number. There's a pattern, right? When you're adding 10 with a single digit number, there's a pattern. It always goes 1 and then the number that you're adding. So you don't actually have to use your fingers if you memorize this way of adding with 10. So that's why it's trickier when you're adding 8 plus 7. We know that that equals 15 after counting on our fingers, but 10 plus 5 is a lot easier because we can memorize this pattern, right? So I'm going to give you a trick actually that's going to help you make 10 when you're adding so it's a bit easier. So if I have 8 plus 7, I'm going to draw 8 circles under the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7 circles under the 7. Just like this. I have 8 circles under 8 and 7 circles under the 7. Now I'm going to make a group of 10 out of these circles. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm going to bring these guys into the circle. We know that this is 10. And how many do I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I can just go 10 plus these 5 equals 15 because I memorized the adding 10. So really, 8 plus 7 is the same or equals 10 plus 5. They both are the same thing. They equal the same number, right? They both get to 15. Okay, so now I have the question 9 plus 6, and I have my 9 circles under 9 and my 6 circles under 6. I'm going to be making this a group of 10 out of my circles and then adding on to see what my answer is. So I know I have 9. I'm just going to add one more to make 10. So it's going to be 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. 10 plus 5 equals, oh, look at that, 15 again. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do 7 plus 6. So I have 7 circles here and 6 here. I'm going to make 10. So I go 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to have to bring 3 of these into this group. 10 plus 2, 3 left over. 10 plus 3, I know that first of all it's going to be a 1 in the front, and then this number is a 3, so it's going to be 13. Or I can count on 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 3 because you both get the answer of 13. So for today's activity, you're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to be given an addition problem. So if your addition problem is 5 plus 8, you're going to write it down on a piece of paper like this or on a whiteboard similar to this. And you're going to draw the dots underneath. So I did my 5 dots under and my 8 dots under the 8. Now remember, you have to make a group of 10 in a big circle first. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep those 10 in a group. To find out your answer. So you're going to go 10 plus, we have 1, 2, 3 left over. 10 plus 3, we know from our pattern equals 13. And if you forget the pattern, that's okay. You can count. You can go 10, 11, 12, 13. But you need to remember that you're going to make your group of 10 and then count the extras after in order to get your answer. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day. Bye.